Hello and welcome to South Barn. We're here at Torridge Gate, just on the Cornwall-Devon border. We've got a fantastic barn I'm delighted to show you. So let's go and have a look. So welcome inside South Barn. And as you'll see, we've got a lovely split level entrance hallway here, and it just blends beautifully into what I think is the principal room in this property. How about this? What a fantastic kitchen. Well equipped, matching units, and we've got this magnificent long centre unit here, which has at least 8 seat placings. A perfect family, sociable, interactive space. So if we go in and have a look at the sitting room, you will notice immediately that you have a wealth of character in here. A beam ceiling, we've got deep sills, we've also got a magnificent floor-to-ceiling fireplace there with an inset wood-burning stove, which really does provide that lovely warm toasty feel during the winter months. So officially, the property has 5 bedrooms. Here we're looking at one of the 2 principal bedrooms, which has the benefit of ensuite facilities. The one above this room, directly symmetrical, also has a bath. And there are a further 3 bedrooms, all of which share use of the family bathroom, with its separate shower and large bath. Into this room, you'll see at present it's staged as a formal dining room. Officially, it's workshop space, and as such, this room and the room we'll see in a moment has great potential to become a work from home space. Furthermore, you have a wonderful family room, which has the most magnificent vaulted ceiling and a light well at the top, which really does wash the room with natural sunlight. And what I really love about this room are these wonderful bifold doors I'm able to access immediately the wonderful garden. You'll notice we've got a patio to be able to pull up a chair and enjoy the wonderful sun-drenched southerly elevation in complete privacy, taking in the outstanding views across the Carey Valley. And in the very distance, you can just see Launceston town, which is just a few miles away. So for more information on this property, please contact Fine & Country on 01566 77 1919. Thank you.